Guys, that was honestly the best crab I've ever eaten. Do you? Wow! Happy birthday, Ting! Really nice. Yeah. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Oh, best day ever. And it's so much fun hanging out with Rosanna and Ting. We are just having a giant seafood feast here at Ministry of Crab. And Rosanna is just about to cut into her chili garlic. You excited, Ting?
Yeah.
This is gonna be good. Beautiful. Look at that flesh. Wow. Another crab here, guys. Lagoon crab. This was 1.5? 1.5 kilos. Absolutely delicious. Sri Lankan curry. Oh, then we got hot butter cuttlefish. Oh, look at those nice claws. First crab in Colombo.